Hello, this is Outland Birds and Ants channel, and in this video I've decided I'm going to show you some of my bird books. They're some quite good books. This one I got for Christmas, and the rest I got from this book sale. So, This one is my personal favourite. It's Bird Feeder Handbook. Yeah, it's my personal favourite. It tells you about all these things on it, and yeah. So I'll show you the first book. It's probably going to be the Birds of New Zealand one, because as soon as I live in New Zealand, I'll show you this one. Okay, Birds of New Zealand. And then we got some really good, lovely birds in here. A lot of seabirds. Surprisingly, I never knew that. Must like get out of people's cages. Oh, this is a really nice one, the Tui and the Bellbird. They're native to New Zealand, and both of these types of birds are native to New Zealand. Their nests are made out of the Tui's nests are made out of sticks and feathers, it looks like it, and same with the Bellbird. So here's another little read up. Good photos of them. Actually, this place what we named Tui Secret Garden has a lot of Tuis, but I can't tell you where that is because it has the word secret in it, so I can't tell you that, sorry. And let's have a look, a few more. We got the, what is this? Tomtit. There's a bird called Tomtit. It's a Tomtit. It's an odd name. Like the great tits and the blue tits in England and other countries. And we got a rook. Have a little look. And let's go on with the next book. My personal favourite. Very good. The reason why I like is this is my favourite part of the book. The bird profiles. Tells you all about one bird, like the mallard. Shows you how they're nesting. Shows that. The grey heron has nesting, voice, feeding, bird table, and yeah, nesting information. Just tells you a bit about them. And we got pheasant, kestrel, coot. About nesting, street pigeon, also known as rock pigeon, also known as pigeon, grey pigeon, whatever you want to call them, pigeon. And here's a little fact about a pigeon, that inside a pigeon's body they have this thing with what they feed the babies, and no other bird has it. It's like this milk stuff. When they feed their baby, actually take in a few more hours it's like doubled its size. So that's a interesting fact for you if you never knew that. Tells you about nest box, nesting, bird table, feeding. Tells you about voice. Then we got another type of pigeon, wood pigeon. About the same things. We got this type of owl. Not sure how this is the name. Swift. Little owl, feeding, voice, nesting. Got great spotted woodpecker. Swallow, house martin, rowan, dunnut. I'm not sure how to say that. Goldcrest, spotted flycatcher, robin, of course, robin, blackbird, so we've got nesting, about them. And then we got song thrush. I like song thrushes. They have 4 to 6 eggs. Then we got a long-tailed tit. Beautiful nest. Missel thrush. Tail thrush. And of course we got blue tit. Lots of people know what they are. Maybe not people from New Zealand, but they lay a lot of eggs. 5 to 12 eggs. That's a lot for a tiny bird like it. Then we got a great tit, of course. About the same. Then we got, I'm not sure, nuthatch, I think that spells. Coal tit or coal tit? Coal tit.